Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome back to Season Beauties. Now, yes, I know I'm wearing the same thing. However, when I recorded my last video, just as I was finishing up, I got a knock on the door. Okay, got another product so that I could bring it to you. And the reason I'm bringing it to you now is because it is our monthly curl box. Ask me how I know. And y'all know this is my favorite unboxing, and my favorite box, okay? I'm here for the hair thing. All right, so for those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, I'll make sure all the information is down below. So if you would like to try it for yourself, there you go. All right, now, before we jump into the box, I want to remind everyone, make sure that you enter the last giveaway of 2022. I will go ahead and link the video up above so that way you can see what the items are that are available in this giveaway. Okay, that was my PSA. Now let's jump into the box. Okay, now this box was overly full and extremely heavy. And wow, did you hear that when I put it down? I know that what's in this box has something to do with Africa's Best Originals. How do I know? Because this was sitting on the outside. So we'll jump into that. We'll get more information about that when we check our description card, okay? So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's get started. Now, here is our description card, and it says CURLBOX, the Rich Blends box, okay? And this is the December 2022 box, okay? Now, this says CURLBOX times originals. There are very few products that pack the same punch for your buck as Africa's Best. You know we're going to bring you the new, and this box is no different. This new Olive and Aloe line offers quality ingredients that get the job done. Okay, now, this is the Olive and Shea Moisturizing Shampoo. This is a 12 fluid ounce size, and it says it cleanses and restores moisture for all hair types. Okay. Its expiration date is 2026. How about that? Wow. All right. Now, even though I told you it's good on all hair types, it also says it's excellent for all hair types, including natural, relaxed, pressed, textured, or color treated. Okay? Now, from the time that it is opened, it has a 12-month shelf life. This is such a beautiful green. Look at that. It's like an emerald green. Okay, I know you don't really care about the color, but I'm just saying. And our next item is the Olive and Clove Hair and Scalp Therapy. And it says this natural oil treatment helps stop dryness, itching, and flaking. And it's a unique natural conditioning formula that helps repair, mend, and rebuild for healthy hair growth, okay? And that's this one right here. This one is a 6 fluid ounce size. And this one, oh, I am loving these 2026 expiration dates. However, this one does have a 12-month shelf life as well from the time you open it, okay? Now this says, in addition to it being used for conditioning, it says you can also use it as a hot oil treatment. For best results, use Originals by Africa. We know that. This is your brand. That's very interesting to know. And it says it can be used daily. Massage into your hair and scalp. Reapply to dry, wet, or brittle hair. Okay, that's the second item. Then the next item we have is the Olive and Aloe Moisturizing Growth Lotion. How about that? Okay, and it says this non-greasy formula is enriched with 100% pure olive oil for ultimate hydration and a healthy dose of aloe vera to help repair your strands and seal in nutrient-rich moisture. This product is excellent for all hair types. Okay. Maximum strength helps to treat dry hair and hold moisture. And this one is a 12 fluid ounce size. And it says it's best if used with a wide tooth comb or fingers, evenly distributing throughout the hair from tips to roots. So start at the ends and work your way to your scalp. Okay. And it says it's best if you work on the exceptionally dry areas first. Well, that's good to know. Okay, I'm feeling it. Got something else to try. Although I'm not having the dry issue right now. Okay, maybe it's, I don't know why, but I'm okay with that. Not complaining. The next item we have is that big jar that was too big to fit inside the box, which is this one right here. And this is the Hair Mayonnaise Deep Conditioner. And it says, this penetrating deep treatment is enriched with natural botanical herbal extracts, vitamins, egg protein, and olive oil to condition, moisturize, and strengthen damaged or over-processed hair. Okay, this one is a 15-ounce jar. Wow. Okay. Same grade expiration date, y'all. Okay. And it does have a 12-month shelf life as well. I kind of wish that I was through with my other product because I really want to open it and smell this. But time will tell. And I'll eventually get to using it. Okay, so this is the next item. And then we still have more. We are not done yet, okay? And that's already item number 4, but we're not done yet. So item number 5 is a carrot and tea tree oil therapy. And it says it's a special blend of natural organic oils enriched with beta-carotene, proteins, vitamin, and herbal extracts. This all-purpose oil is specifically formulated to rejuvenate hair, revitalize scalp, and nourish skin. Okay. So this one is a dual purpose, not just for the hair, but also for your skin. And this one is a 6 fluid ounce size. And it says this one can also be used as a hot oil treatment. Oh, it says you can cover your hair with a warm towel or plastic cap for about 10 minutes, okay? And then remove excess oil and style as desired. Okay. This one has a 12-month shelf life as well, with that wonderful expiration date that is all the way in 2026. Okay, we're down to the last item. And this one is the Olive and Shea Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, and it says this leave-in goes beyond conditioning by reaching a higher level of hair moisturizing, strengthening, and softening. The revitalizing formula helps to stop breakage, restore shine, and strengthen hair instantly. Excellent for all hair types, including natural, relaxed, pressed, texturized, or color treated hair. Now, this one is also a 6 fluid ounce size. I'm loving this instantly. Okay, instantly. All right, and this one, same wonderful expiration date. What are you thinking? First of all, the fact that it's 6 products says a lot. It says a lot because we pay such a fantastic price already. All right, and to get this much, I'm very excited to eventually try this one. I'm all about that moisturizing, even if I am, well, I don't have extensions or anything in right now, but even when I am wearing a protective style, I'm all about making sure my hair stays moisturized. So when I do wash it and, well, when I do take down that protective style and wash my hair, I am not getting a lot of breakage or a lot of damage to my own hair. Okay, so what do you think? I'm very excited to know what your thoughts are. Okay, now this month is the first month in a very long time that I've done 2 curl boxes, especially back to back. And I would really like to know what you think. Is this something that you would try? Is it something that you have tried before? Now, I do want to say this. As we went through them, on the sides of these bottles, it says this is not a new product. It's just a new look for this product. Otherwise, we're good to go. And I mean, you're probably not really all that concerned about what the old one looked like unless you were a fan of it and now you figured you couldn't find it. Okay, so I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our second curl box for the month of December. And these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay, now don't forget to check out our last giveaway for 2022. Haven't done one in a while, and I figured it was time. It was time. So, and there will be 2 winners. Okay, and the first one gets to choose which item they'd like. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.